Hey everybody, Brendan the Realtor here. So new listings are up, but the total number of active listings are down. What does that mean? Let's answer that question here for the October update. Now, of course, I pulled all the data and all the information to find this answer for you, so let's get to the point. When it comes to new listings, the reason why they're up is because more sellers are bringing their home to the market at this time, and it's about 66 more homes or 3.4%. So just a small increase. But when it comes to the total number of active listings, that's down, meaning when you have a pool of homes to select from, we're finding that more buyers are coming on the market or people are relocating here to the Austin metro area and purchasing that pool of active listings off. That's why you see a shorter inventory. So let's go into just some of the other points of the information. When it comes to the active days to sell, meaning how many days will the home stay on the market to go ahead and sell? Well, we're noticing that homes are selling 13.6% faster compared to last month's trend. And so that's 32 days it's going to take for the whole sale to go ahead and close. When it comes to your close price to list price ratio, so hey, if the seller wants $400,000, are they getting it? And the data says 100% of the time, on average, they're going to notice that they're going to receive what they want. And of course, little asterisk, they're going to have to be within fair market value in order for that number to truly occur. Now, when it comes to the median list price, okay, how much the seller wants to list the property at, well, the median list price did increase in the last 15 days by 1.5% to $375,000. But what about the median closed price, right? List price. Now, what about did they close? That is at $370,000, definitely up from this time last year. Now, lastly, months of inventory. We don't have that data just because we're 15 days into the month, but we'll talk about that next month or in 15 days. So in conclusion, business is definitely still happening. People are still buying and selling. But if you're a seller, I want you to be just kind of aware we're almost 2 weeks away from this election. It is a smart move to put your home on the market for the pure fact that you are going to have less competition. And some people may be holding their listing off until after the election, and therefore you are going to have more competition versus less right now, and you may be able to get more for your home at this point. So what about the other items to talk about? Just really quick, because of the low inventory, you're going to have a strong seller's market. Your home's likely going to go under contract within 1 to 4 days. That's what the numbers are showing. And you're likely to obtain top dollar. Again, a little asterisk, it really depends what your realtor, like us, what we tell you, what your home is truly going to proceed forward with, depending on the condition and the price. Now, buyers, that's a whole different story right here. The low interest rates, this is still an amazing time before quarter 4 or quarter 1 potentially increases on the interest rate, which means a higher payment per month. So it does make sense to purchase. And if you're looking at long-term growth, you're going to have a good investment opportunity, especially because the tech sector is coming here and we're the South tech sector, or the tech sector of the South, right? Now, when it comes to the inventory, since it is low, you're going to have more competition, but this was, of course, anticipated before COVID. And lastly, you need to have the right agent in order to go ahead and negotiate those contracts. It is super key for the agent to understand how to go ahead and provide an offer that makes sense to win you that home versus everybody else, okay? So lastly, I want to talk about buyer's purchase power. We talked about interest rates. Take a look at this graph, put pause, and kind of follow along. What does it mean if you're going to go ahead and have an increase in the rate? All right, what's your monthly purchase price and, your monthly payment going to be, and what your purchase price could be? So if you have any questions, give me a ring. I'm always here for you. Anybody, if you're looking to buy a home, sell a home, or you're just one of my past clients and you're just curious about your home value, let me know. See you in 2 weeks. Bye-bye.